Cadê você? Right now I am in Pinheiros, one of São Paulo coolest neighborhood. Let's explore the street and see what makes this place special. So here is the center park here in Pinheiros. This area full of life, culture and energy. There's a lot of cafe shop in this area. So this place full of cafe shop. So it's evening vibe. So people are gathering here to start the evening. It's always a cafe shop, bars. It's a life, the nightlife here. It's Pinheiros. So the chairs are set for people to start the night, to start the evening. Park. Yeah. So it's one of the beautiful neighborhoods here in São Paulo, Pinheiros. And right now I am in Mercado Municipal Pinheiros. Let's go inside and see what is inside. So this is the place. So let's go inside. But this Mercado Municipal Pinheiros. Let's go inside. So this place you can find Brazilian. Brazilian. Yes. Yeah, this place you can find Brazilian local food. So it's a local market here in Pinheiros. So this is a local food, local Brazilian food. Here is a fruit. You can see how fresh it is. Very, very fresh. So this place is here inside here in Pinheiros. So I see the food, everything is fresh. All these things are fruits and very fresh. And this place is so beautiful. So let's go upstairs and see what they have there in upstairs. It's a very good place. It's a local market here in Pinheiros. So you can buy meat here, you can buy drinks like wine, like alcohol, beers, everything is here. This place is for wine, local wine and foreign wines. Oh, that's what you find here. Here's the fast food. Oh, there's the fast food. This place outside where people outside the place where people relax here. It's a beautiful place. Let's go down and see the end. Very big. From here you go that side. Also they have all these places for meat. They're getting close. They're getting close by this time. Many things. Look at these fruits, are so fresh. This is what you find here, all this local Brazilian food. So let's try one thing here. Let's test. I want to test something here. Let's test one thing here. Let's go. Union and so this place you will find all the local Brazilian stuff here, and people come here to shop, like all this chocolate stuff. So beautiful.
Tem outro nome também, outro nome.
Opa, já. Quero experimentar.
Experimentar o quê? Experimentar o quê?
Não sei, qual é o seu nome dele, é isso?
Hã?
Nome disso.
Isso aqui é pistache, tira a casca e come.
Mas como é aqui?
Come aqui, é. Assim, deixa eu ver, damasco turco, banana brasileira.
Quero.
Banana?
Quanto? Não, é banana.
É boa, é boa.
Não,
boa.
aqui.
Esse
Quero
é
ver.
castanha, Pará. Isso é tâmara. Pode comer.
Banana Brazil.
Banana Brasília.
Isso aqui, this is banana Brazil.
Vê se é boa, se não é. Desidratada.
This is 5 plantain. Tá bom. Quero quanto?
É damasco turco?
Um aqui, tá vendo? Quanto aqui? Quanto? Quero um pouquinho comer aqui.
54 quilos.
Não quero maior. Não tem 10 reais só um
10 reais? Tá
pouquinho.
bom.
Não, quero. Tastes good. Everything here is natural. The local. Eu quero comer aqui. Quer dizer, já comer.
Sim, sim.
Tastes good.
Meu amigo. Ô, meu querido. Valeu.
Tá bom. Só tem 10 reais comer sem problema. Vem comer.
Castanha Brasil.
Brasil. Tá no Castanha.
Castanha do Pará. O Castanha Brasil.
Castanha Brasil. That's good. Just like a peanut. Eu comer aqui. Eu comer aqui.
10 reais, tá?
Tá. That's good. Banana Brazil.
Oi, meu, de manhã.
This costs like 10 reais. 10 reais is like $2 US dollar. Banana. Here is the upstairs. At the backyard. Here are the upstairs. At the back. This is what you find here. This is a bar. Local bars. It's a beautiful place. This thing tastes very good. Alright, sit out. For this place, a cafe shop. So this is the entrance.